What's up, guys? In this quick Ethereum video, I'm going to show you this rising channel that should have made you rich. Let's check it out. As you can see right here, this channel started back on about September 21st, and it's still not invalidated as of today. And I mean, we started this channel at about $2,600. We're coming in at $4,679, and we had a high of $4,870. And obviously, you can see here, this pattern isn't 100% perfect, but we have an amazing channel here where we're getting touch points on the top and the bottom. I mean, this is like one of the most classic patterns I think I've seen, or like tradable patterns I think I've seen. So obviously right here, you'd want to enter your trade, exit your trade, enter, exit, enter, exit, enter, exit. You get it. And you could have just, you could have banked off this pattern from a trading perspective. I mean, each one of these pumps, I think, is like a 15 or 20% pump. I mean, this one, if you would have wrote it up to the top there, that's a 31% pump. Let's check them all out. This one here, this one is about a 16% pump. This one, let's see, let's just take it from here up to here. You probably would have got out like around here, 11%. I mean, these are anywhere from like 11 to 20% pumps. This one's like 13%. Let's check out one of these more recent ones. 11%. So I mean, if you're playing around with 100 grand on leverage, 10 grand times 10x on Bybit or Phoenix, 10 to 15% gains, that's $10 to $15,000 you're making every, let's see here, September 29th to about October 6th, like a week or less. Some of these, October 13th to October 16th, 3 days. This one, October 27th to the 29th. So these are like 3 to 5 day pumps that you could be making, bank off of. And I'm going to continue to trade this pattern because it has not, even with the dump we just had for Bitcoin, it still hasn't been invalidated. I mean, this would have been a great entry right here today. I mean, you could have snuck in at like $4,500. And the target is probably right up here, $5,000. That's a $500 gain times, however many Ethereum you got on leverage or not leverage, whatever you're doing. This pattern just blows my mind. I think we might have seen something like this back last time. Actually, we just saw like a giant pump for Ethereum. Look at this. Yeah, right here, this is kind of what I was talking about, but it wasn't quite like that. This pattern is just crazy that we're getting right now. These were more like just moonshots. Right here, giant moonshot, 2,300 up to 4,400. Let's check these out a little bit closer. Oh, where are we here? Back here. Yeah, these weren't quite the same. These weren't like as tight of a channel. I guess you could do something like that for these previous patterns. Yeah, you can't really do the same with these, but these were kind of just like moons, from the 25th of April to the 12th of May. You could have gotten anywhere and made money back there. Let's also check out the EMA ribbon here. This is the 4-hour EMA ribbon. We haven't even came close to breaking it. Like slightly possible there. Not even close really to breaking it. You could have really longed off the 4-hour EMA ribbon as your only indicator. Got in at 3, and you're still riding it right now at 4,600 for Ethereum. You could check that out too. This is just like an awesome pattern, guys. Let's check out the 3-hour. Technically barely broke it there. Basically haven't even broken it on the 3-hour. The 2-hour, every time we break it, we just get a sharp pump again. So guys, I'm going to continue to trade this pattern until it's invalidated. And also, we have to keep an eye on if we break this pattern, the target if we have a little breakout, you know, where we close a 4 hourly candle close, I mean, we had a few here that closed, but I mean, you know, it came right back down. If we see a clear like breakout, you know, like say we see a breakout happen up here, I mean, the target's like $5,500 if we see a breakout at 5,000. So very interesting pattern. Tell me what you guys think about this. It's obviously super tradable. So, I mean, I would love this pattern to just keep running, maybe even get a little crazier and just keep running faster, you know, like all the way up to like 10K, 12K for Ethereum. And I mean, you just make some great trades off this. So, I just want to show you guys this pattern. You know, you've probably seen it. It's not a crazy hard pattern to see, but it's definitely there, and we're definitely getting a giant moonshot from it here. And we also have this cup and handle pattern for Ethereum, and we have not met the target yet for this thing. So I mean, we still got that going for us. This is just a rough estimate here, guys, but we saw the breakout like right around here. I mean, the target of this thing is up here at 6,000, so we're still trying to meet that target. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys in this quick, pretty simple Ethereum video. Happy trading out there. Later.